Hey, the name might sound kind of cute, but do not be deceived. Today, our Pet Vet on Call has a fun fact for us about honey badgers.
The honey badger, it's an ironic name for the most vicious animal on the planet. They hunt and eat anything and everything. They are resistant to venom because it's assumed that they probably evolved on eating venomous snakes. They can digest anything, including bones and feathers. Honey badger, yeah right, maybe not. The good thing is that they are found in Southeast Asia and Africa, not here.
We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koamtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. Now let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we've chosen this adult male domestic short hair named Barkley. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have an 8-year-old male terrier mix. His name is Montana. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society? They always have a lot of great ones to choose